Launch customer Qatar Airways showcases the world's first Gulfstream G700 in Doha, in advance of delivery in 2022. The G700 is equipped with the Rolls-Royce Pearl 700 engine, able to operate on sustainable aviation fuel. The G700 is an industry benchmark for sustainability and innovation, allowing the airline to operate one of the cleanest and quietest business jets. The G700 cabin, the industry's most spacious, can be configured for up to 5 living areas, including an ultra-galley with 10 feet of counter space, a dedicated crew space, an entertainment and presentation area, a 6-person conference and dining area, and a grand suite with shower. The G700's interior features an award-winning seat design and an all-new ultra-high-definition circadian lighting system, as well as the Gulfstream Cabin Experience, which includes 100% fresh, never recirculated air, the industry's lowest cabin altitude, whisper-quiet noise levels, and 20 panoramic oval windows. On September 1, 2021, an all-new Gulfstream G700, Gulfstream's largest aircraft, set the first city-pair speed records from Savannah to Doha, Qatar, and then from Doha to Paris. The fully equipped G700 production test aircraft flew from Savannah to Doha in 13 hours and 16 minutes, covering a distance of 12,428 kilometers at an average speed of Mach 0.88. On October 2019 NBAA Convention and Exhibition in Las Vegas, Gulfstream announced its new flagship, the G700, showing a video of the aircraft taxiing under its own power in Savannah. It should fly 13,890 kilometers at Mach 0.85 or 11,853 kilometers at Mach 0.90. Its longer cabin can accommodate up to 5 areas and has 20 windows. It is powered by Rolls-Royce Pearl 700 engines and has new winglets. The G700 should share its fly-by-wire cockpit with the G500 and G600. Active control side sticks and Honeywell Primus Epic flight deck, with synthetic and enhanced vision systems for a common type rating. The jet is 110 feet long, about 9.8 feet longer than the G650ER and about 0.98 feet shorter than the competing Bombardier Global 7500. The aircraft is stretched by 10 feet for a longer cabin with 5 areas, and 10 windows per side, up from 8. The engines are 2 to 3% more efficient. The aircraft is 15 kilograms heavier maximum takeoff weight than the G650ER. The aircraft flew for the first time in February 2020, and the Gulfstream G700 is expected to cost around $75 million. The G700 will be the latest addition to Qatar Executive's state-of-the-art fleet of long-range and ultra-long-range aircraft. The executive charter service provider has ordered 10 of the world's largest business jets, and will take delivery of the very first aircraft off the Gulfstream assembly line in Georgia, US in 2022. Please share your thoughts on the Gulfstream G700 aircraft in the comments section below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up.